Alright, welcome back everyone to another mediocre unboxing. And today we have, is it wrong to try to pick up girls in a dungeon booster box or Danmachi?
It doesn't really matter what you call it.
Yeah, it doesn't matter which you prefer to call it. But this is a Japanese box, so these are all Japanese cards. And let's see, let's hopefully get some Hestia, some of her.
Actually, I like her hair.
Alright, let's see what we get here.
Should I start playing the music?
Yes, go ahead, play your music. Alright, here's the promo card. Not a Hestia, but okay. And actually here, I will put this right here. Here we go, first pack, let's see.
Okay, I'll play you some good music.
There's a Hestia card right there. And here's the rare for the set. Here you go. Alright, one pack down so far.
Yeah, what did you get, Mommy?
You see them right there.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh, you got one hair. She looks so pretty in that picture. Ready, everybody, for some good music here?
Oh, here's a double R. Right there. And then... ooh, here we go. Here's another card with her on it. So this is a rare with her.
Does that one out there? Oh, sorry, I was just really trying to see. How's that? Did I play a one key in rare?
No.
Okay.
Regular rare. No Hestia in that pack.
Hopefully.
Alright, pack number 4 out of 16.
All you really gotta do to play this is like tiptoe your fingers everywhere and hear your music out loud.
And here we go, another just rare. Another Hestia. Pack number 5.
Wait, number 5 can never play number 5 key?
Regular rare. Still no Hestia. Alright, pack number 6.
I need to play key number 6
So 10
now.
more packs after this.
6 is always such a delicate number, I feel like. Don't you, Jeremy?
So far, 1 double R.
Yeah.
So let's see.
Wait, is that good?
Well, we still get at least 3 more, maybe 4.
Okay, I was like, was that good? Should I go yay? Play some.
Here's another double R.
Is that good? Okay.
It's not a Hestia.
But don't
So
play
here
too
she
much.
is right here. See? Yeah, that's her right there.
See, it looks almost the same, huh?
Pack number 6. Here we go.
Jeremy, do you think everybody likes my music?
Here's another card of her.
Hey, Jeremy, do you like my music?
I think everybody's gonna love your music.
Is it because it really sounds like them? Well, I hope we can hear some good news about my music here.
Put that there. Alright, I'm already losing count. I think there's 8 more packs after this one.
I think.
I'm thinking.
Do I need to play key 8 now?
Yes. Play what you feel like playing.
I'll try and play enough music of them,
And
okay?
ooh, here's a nice Hestia card.
That means it's time to get quiet. If you feel like stuff is getting quiet, it's just because I'm making it quiet for my piece of Chinese.
Here she is again. And oh, look at that card. Level 3. This one has her in it also, but it's red. Alright, let's see. So this pack, and then there is 4 more. So these 5 packs are the last ones. So we got to get some more double R's. Here's another Hestia right there.
Hey Jeremy, did you like that music I was playing?
And
I hope everybody could hear that though.
Oh, actually. Got it right there.
Let's go a little bit louder.
3 more packs. Oh, there she is crying or sad.
Why is she
Kind of
crying,
scared.
Jeremy?
Ooh, here's an
Maybe a
SR.
monster's behind her. I can always see the eye.
SR looks pretty nice.
No, that sounds more different. China, I feel like should sound quiet and peaceful.
It does sound peaceful. I'm sure everyone is gonna love your music.
It's time, everybody, to get some good music on. So get your dancing shoes on if you're gonna dance to my music here. Or ballet slippers. Depends on what kind of dance you want to do. Adjustments. Adjust your normal shoes that
2
you
more packs. So these both have to have a double R, I'm guessing, right?
Hopefully.
Yeah. Or else I'm gonna be very sad. Here's a double R right here. It's a red one.
Like my character in the game, huh? She's like, wow.
Oh yeah, your character on Animal Crossing.
Yeah. The other character told my character.
So I got green, yellow, and red. So I'm missing the blue. Hopefully it's a Hestia. And it's in this pack. Last pack. It'd be weird to only get 3 double R's, but I don't know.
Yeah, it would be really.
Put that there.
You should only be able to get 2 in it. But
I guess I only got 3. And the last rare. Well, I guess that's it for the cards. Here you go, got our level 3.
Okay, when it's time, we're gonna get real peaceful for everyone, okay? So listen up, everyone.
Alright.
Okay, here's some nice and quiet music.
Are you gonna do the outro music?
Yep.
Say goodbye to everyone.